thinking of how it all went bad. I have grown tired of breaking up, and I love them all during the rise and the fall, but I love the most when it all came apart. Your silences are killing me. Is it over? Are we still in a race against time? Nobody knows, but I recall the blazing ice hot summers, smiles. I remember you well at the hotel, and the things that we said and did as well, but then you got away. Baby, well, Leonard Cohen is on, conveying both beauty and misery in a song. And here I am drumming my heart to the ticking of clocks.